Nice job on the high hamstring kicks. Take a break. Awesome work. Okay, next we're gonna go with our strider lunge. So I'm stepping out, sprinter arms. So I'm driving those arms with enthusiasm, right? We drive them out and then a big step forward, driving it through, okay? All right, here we go. Strider lunge. Could also do a stationary lunge right here, just working those sprinter arms, okay? Here we go. Strider lunge. Nice work. Big steps, keep that pressure to the heel of your forward foot. Make sure your knee staying out over the toe. Good strong position, guys. Good strong position. Woo! Nice work. Almost there. Awesome. Short breather. Bring it back to center. Our next one, low knee crossover karaoke. Low knee crossover. So hopefully you have a little room to do this in your space. But what we're doing, that first step is going to be behind. And we got that grapevine back and forth with whatever distance you've got to work with, okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Woo! Light, quick feet. Working with those hips. Nice work. You got it, guys. Moving like warriors. Looking good. Woo! And break. Beautiful work, guys. Beautiful. All right, we're going back to our strider lunge next. Strider lunge. Stepping it out with those sprinter arms. Here we go. Woo! Nice. A few more lunges. Keep it going. We're almost there. And break. Woo! Nice job. That body heat should be starting to come up. We're starting to get good and warm. We got another round of low knee crossover karaoke. Ready? And go. Woo! Almost there. Nice job. Break. Woo! Hey, next we're going to go with a lateral lunge pattern. This is going to be the one where if I'm reaching out with my right leg, my hands are going to go toward the left. My heel is turned up. My toes are turned down. Okay? Then I'm going to come up, corkscrewing my foot into the ground, going to the right. So once again, I reach out with my right, heel up, toe down. I touch in front of my toes here. I'm going to pull myself upright and repeat that pattern. Let's get 6 to the right, 6 to the left. Okay? Here we go. 6 right, 6 left. Go get it. Remember to turn that heel up when you're reaching your leg out. Okay? If you have a short space, just try to get 2 or 3 in one direction. And then repeat that pattern, okay? So as long as you get a total of your 6, we're good. You can do them stationary, whatever works for you. Doing great. Okay, next we are going to our high knee crossover karaoke. So similar pattern, except this time, come behind and then that backside leg is coming up over the top, all right? High knee crossover, ready, go. Woo! Nice work, warriors. and break. Woo! Nice job. One more time on the lateral lunge. Heel up, toe down. 6, right, 6, left. Right and left. You got it. Nice work. Big stretch out, big reach with that long reach leg. Corkscrew that foot into the ground. Nice job, warriors. Good work. We are almost there, guys. We're almost there. We got 5 rounds of our low knees, quick feet, ending in the little warrior position. Coming up on my ready up with 2 claps. Then we got 5 rounds of high knees with the same thing, ending in a low warrior position on a count of 5. Coming up on my up with 2 claps. All right. So the first thing is our low knees, quick feet. This is good sprinter focus, abs tight, sprinter hands. Driving those arms from your shoulders. Quick light feet on the ground. Okay, quick light feet. Here we go, 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, huh. Ready up. Number 2, ready, go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, huh. Ready up. Woo! Set 3. Ready, go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, huh. Ready up. Set 4. Ready, go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, huh. Woo! Ready up. Set 5. Last set. Best set. Ready, go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, huh. Ready up. Woo! Now we got one more round like that, but this time you're going high knees. High knees. Woo! Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, huh! Ready up. Woo! Set 2. Ready, go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, huh! Ready up. Woo! Set 3. Ready, go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, huh! Ready up. Woo! Set 4. Ready, go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, huh! Ready up. Last set, best set. Woo! Ready, and go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, huh! Ready up. Woo! Hey, grab some water, guys. Great job, warriors. Get a drink. We'll come back and go over round 1. Woo! All right, guys, so today we've got round 1 with high knees, bodyweight squats, and mountain climbers or substitution of reverse crunch. If you have a shoulder issue going on, I'm gonna bring it in for you guys. So it's 40 high knees. I like to count them out with like 20 contacts on one leg, right or left, whatever you want to do. Then bodyweight squats for 10. If you want to make it a little more intense, we could go with a squat jump right there for 10, totally up to you. And then from there, we've got our crossover climber. So that's where that knee is going to the opposite elbow on our mountain climber. Crossing over, bring the hip through and under. And then or reverse crunch in place of that, again, if we're nursing a shoulder problem or something like that, okay? So 40 high knees, quick feet, or like a third alternative on the high knee would be if you have a slam ball. I know many of you do. On our end, you could do 12 med ball slams in place of the 40 high knees. So that would be another alternative to get that heart rate up. Or maybe even low knees, quick feet for 40 or 50 rounds, or contacts I should say. So any of that stuff can work for the 40, where we would normally do our 40-yard sprint, okay? So question?
Hey coach, one's through?
We're going through 3 rounds, okay? And all three activities 3 times. All 3 activities 3 times. All right, any other questions? All right, here we go. Round 1 with 40 high knees or 12 ball slams. 3, 2, 1, go. Woo! Kick him out. Then it's bodyweight squat or squat jump for 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we got crossover mountain climbers, guys. Crossover climbers, 16 contacts. Woo! Then after you got that, you're back on your feet. High knees, go, 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 go. High knees. Woo! After your high knees, back to your bodyweight squats. Woo! 10 bodyweight squats. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 crossover climbers. 16 contacts. Woo! Woo! Last round. Best round. Here we go. Woo! 10 squats. Nice work, nice work. That's it, crossover climbers, 16, get it. 16, keep that core tight, feet light on the ground. Woo! That's it, guys. That's it, nice job. Woo! Hey guys, grab a quick drink right here. Little hydration station. Let's do it. Quick short drink. Woo!
Hey coach,
Yep.
I gotta show you guys something real quick.
Okay.
Do you see that?
Clouds.
That's the view in Denver right now. Beautiful.
That's sun is coming up.
Isn't that beautiful?
It is
What
beautiful.
we get for waking up early.
So you must be up in the hills a little bit there, huh?
I am, yeah.
Nice. Nice. That's beautiful out there.
Thought that was worth it right there for y'all.
Absolutely. I've got a cousin that lives in Steamboat, and we've been out there a few times. It's just so beautiful out there in Colorado. Beautiful place. Maybe I'll have to retire there, like when I'm 78 or whatever it is. I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully sooner than that. All right, round 2. Round 2.
You're not retiring. Just saying.
I can't retire, she says. Fair enough. Mission for life. Mission for life. Okay. So next we have high knees again for 40, or quick feet, or those med ball slams for 12. Then if you have a med ball at home, we're doing our med ball military crunch with the ball between your knees, okay? If you don't have a med ball, it's okay. We'll just do like regular crunches, body weight crunch, okay? And we got 8 of those. I would say if you don't have a med ball, maybe we do 10, 12 on the body weight crunch just to get a little more work in there. And then we've got sit-outs. This is a total of 8, so 4 each way, or your side crunch, okay? So a total of 8, or side crunches if you need an alternate, all right? But hopefully most of you can do the sit-outs today, all right? Any questions, guys? Okay, all right. If you want to take it up a notch, I'm okay with, like, hey, if you want to do 8 sit-outs each way or something in between there. So let's just say it's 4 to 8. I know that some of you would probably like to do a few more. So, like, I'm going to give you that leeway. You just get through your 3 rounds. You don't have to go exactly with me. I'm going to lead the best I can, and I'll do the short version, so I'm always up in front. But if you want to do a few more, go for it, okay? All right, any questions? Here we go. So we got high knees for 40 to start off round 2. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Woo! Keep it going. Woo! Nice job. Next one's your military crunch. Military crunch with your med ball. All right. It's 8 reps or 10 to 12 without the ball. Then we got sit-outs. We're going sit-outs 4 each way with your sit-out. Kicking through, or 8. So 4 to 8 reps each way. You want to take it up? Take it up. I got you. Here we go. Good work. Right back into it. 40 high knees. Woo! And then we've got that military crunch for 8. Nice work. Woo! Again, no med ball, no problem. Just do a couple extra reps. Good work. Woo! Then sit-outs. Sit-outs 4 to 8 reps each way, all right? Make sure on the sit-out, we're getting that backside knee up, and you're getting your leg all the way through, all right? Nice job. 3rd round. Woo! Nice job. Body weight crunch or military crunch. 8 to 12. Here we go. Woo! Nice. Keep working from those abs and those crunches. Try not to pull on your head. Work from your abs, all right? Sit-outs or side crunch, 4 to 8 each side. Woo! Finish strong, guys. Finish strong. Nice work. Woo! Nice work. Nice work. How's everybody doing out there? Thumbs up. Woo! Way to get her done this morning, Warriors.
I've got a meeting to go to. Bye, everybody.
Okay, Jeannie, have an awesome day.
Thanks.
Bye. Hey guys, we're booking right along. You're doing fantastic, all right? Quick quiz for somebody out there other than Mike, Coach Subs from Doylestown. So, how much protein should you have in a day's time, roughly, guys? How much protein? Body weight divided by what?
2.2.
2.2. That's right. Very good,
So
JT.
smart.
JT is the winner. Awesome work. Yeah, so hey guys, I know for some of you, like maybe you're trying to be a little more careful with when you're going to the grocery store, all that kind of stuff. I actually had some discussion the other day with somebody who, like, the meat plants in the Midwest are starting to get shut down because of the COVID thing. So they're getting a little concerned, like, hey, what do I do? And I just want to share with you that you probably have, if you really search it out, here in the Midwest anyway, opportunities. In fact, it was on the news last night. You could buy your meat direct from farmers, okay? And it would save them a lot of stress and give them a little help. So, like hog farms right now, like they're gonna have to euthanize, they say 400,000 pigs in just Minnesota. And so, guys, like, it's killing these farmers. So I'm just telling you, like, if you need meat, like, you might want to consider getting together with some other people, and maybe you go and you buy, you know, a pig together. You go and buy like some chickens, or you go and buy you know, split a buffalo or something. I don't know, but take it into your own hands rather than waiting if you're concerned. But you might have the opportunity to get some healthier stuff too if you play your cards right. Okay. All right. Next circuit, right here. I'm going to mute the screen quick. Okay, so our next circuit, we've got 40 high knees, or the ball slams again. We got TFW twist with your med ball, or like a dumbbell in your hands. Anything with a little bit of weight. 24 repetitions, over and back is 1. 16 sprinter crunches. Anybody not know a sprinter crunch? Oh, I hope you all know a sprinter crunch. Okay, all right. So we got TFW twist and sprinter crunch, each for 24 and 16 respectively, with the high knees. Okay, so high knees, TFW twist, over and back is 24, and sprinter crunch for 16. Just like last time, if you're rolling ahead of me, behind me, whatever it is, keep going. So when you get done with your crunches, you're back up and you're pretty much going right back to your high knees right away. Okay, you guys are doing fantastic. Awesome job today. I'm gonna get my music up a little bit. All right, here we go with 40 high knees. 3, 2, 1, go. Woo! Kick them out, lean it in, squeeze those abs, pump those knees up. Woo! You got it. Nice job. Then TFW twist, 24 reps, over and back is 1. Woo! 12. 20. And 4. Good. Next one, sprinter crunch, 16. Sprinter crunch. Woo! Opposite arm and leg, right? Sitting up tall, okay? Nice. Woo! Nice. Good work, good work. Right back to your high knees. All right, high knees. Woo! Nice job. Then TFW twist. TFW twist, 24. You got it. Woo! Sit up tall. Good. Twist to sprinter crunch. Get some. Woo! And last set. Best set. Woo! Here we go. good job. Next up, TFW twist. Woo! Great work, warriors. Woo! Sprinter crunch, 16. Woo! You got it. Sit up tall on those sprinter crunches. You got them, guys. Woo! Holy cow. Good work. Beautiful job on the Hurricane, guys. We do have a finisher for you. So, I want you to catch your breath. Our finisher is going to be a little 30-second rendition with 4 stations, okay? So, let me help you out and I'll clue you in. We have inchworms. The sign on this side, those are the ideal activities. So, stationary inchworm, squat jump, split squat jump, and then a chimp hover plank, okay? If you're not familiar with that, I'll demonstrate it in a second. And alternatives, instead of the inchworm, we could do a bicycle crunch. If again we have shoulder problems, or we can go bird dogs, or a bodyweight squat instead of the squat jump. Instead of the split squat jump, we can do reverse lunge. And instead of the hover plank, we can do a hover hold leg lift, where you're just holding your legs off the ground, kind of like a flutter kick, but we're holding. So I'm just going to demonstrate those last two because I'm pretty sure that you know what the other things are. So the ISO hold for leg lift would be something like this, right here, squeezing those feet together, squeezing your abs in and down toward the floor, okay? The hover plank, chimp plank, is on from a quadruped position right here. We draw those abs up tight, and then we lift those knees off the ground right here, and just hover off the ground in that position. Each one of these are going to be 30 seconds long, okay? And we're just going to hit it one time. That's it. One time. All right. So this is our last circuit. Best circuit. Halusa. Let's do it. Let's do it. Here we go. Starting it off with our inchworm, stationary inchworm. Ready, go. Walking it out into plank. Walk those feet up. Walk your feet back. Walk your hands back. And stand up. Kick it out. Walk those feet up. Walk them back down. Walk your hands back. Stand up. Let's get one more. One more. You got it. Woo, good job. 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, we got squat jumps. 30 seconds. Squat jumps. Ready? And go. Woo! Kick them out. Do as many as you can. Or you do bodyweight squat. Or bird dogs. Whatever's working for you. Keep it going. Woo! Kick it out, kick it out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Next is our split squat jump or reverse lunge. So, split stance right here. Ready, go. Woo! You got it. That's it. Woo! Warriors! Come on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Hover chimp or ISO leg hold. Okay? And go. Woo! Nice work. Beautiful job, guys. We're almost there. Woo! You got this. 15 seconds to go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And break. Woo! Nice job. Whew. Hey guys, if you could hold on for a second, I want to get a picture of your beautiful faces. Hold on. YouTubers, awesome work. Awesome work.